Well, lovely afternoon. Again, no mad monster, serial killer here. Africa, Dis, Norwich and Sandringham. Really don't think so. And again, not me leaving the body of a 17-year-old sex trafficked gal on the Royal Sandringham estate. Killenfields, their high royal blue crime. New Year's Day find, September blue murder, and certainly not mine. Prince Harry Potter, Prince of Darkness, E.T. hybrid host, or Red Dragon. And that is the UEA over there in Norwich. And Cranswick Crane Chicken Manager, Scarf Scott and Deborah, Tricky Ricky Martin. Real cutting room, jigsaw trap. Certainly will get your throat slit like a chicken's neck. Monster Lies did cost me my job on nights, then on days, led to my suspension. 15-day bogus investigation I had no say in. Then my immediate dismissal and not one word in writing. And I was a Cranswick bacon butcher in Hull who did abduct, kidnap, rape, butcher and murder Libby Squire, the young UEA student in Hull. So no Cranswick, Crane Chicken Managers, no Black Panther, Rituals, Serial Killer here. Africa, Dis, Norwich and Sandringham, really don't think so. And they do hunt more than birds of prey on the Royal Sandringham estate, Killenfields, late Prince Philip's favourite hunting area. See Prince Harry the Spare for details. Prince of Darkness, E.T. hybrid hosts. Red Dragons, their high royal blue crime. New Year's Day find, September blue murder. And certainly not mine. And you can go for the swim with the fishes. Again, to cover up high crimes, royal blue murder. Has been 2 men found in the river at Dis. And one I had just done a video the day before, and the next day a man turned up right in the river where I'd done a video. So you certainly can go for a swim with the fishes. They will pay to make you disappear. Again, all to cover up high crimes, royal blue murder. Certainly not mine, so no Barker Mad, Black Killer, Dog Wolf, no Wolf Man, Dog Man, Norfolk Wolf Creek. Son of Sam, Sandringham Serial Killer, Black Wizard Terrorist. This shoe, I really don't think so. And when you go to Hitcham for a cast for a sea bass, 7 miles from Sandringham, North Norfolk coast, and you get stitched up as Norfolk Jack the Kipper, Sandringham Serial Killer, really don't think so, all to cover up Prince Harry Potter, Prince of Darkness, E.T. hybridos. Red Dragon, his high royal blue crime, New Year's Day find. September blue murder, certainly not mine. How do I know? Little birdie told me so. The word that came off the Royal Sandringham estate, Killenfields, loud and clear. So, plenty of high crimes, Jack the Ripper crimes, certainly not mine. Castles, manor houses, UK's Devil Island, country estates. So no mad monster, serial killer here. Africa, Dis, Norwich and Sandringham, really don't think so.